smile plays like a movie in my mind. Feels like you've always been here in my life. Your voice is like a song I can't forget you, and I never wanna let you go. I just wanna let you.
Saudara Muhammad Haidir, saya nikahkan seorang perempuan dengan engkau yang bernama Syerlina binti Bapak Nurdin, yang walinya telah mewakilkan kepada saya dengan mas kawin emas 5 gram tunai karena Allah.
You make me better.
Karena Allah.
We hold so many memories in our hearts, so close, even if we're far apart. Standing on the edge of new beginnings, I can't wait to see just what